Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change the aspect ratio in Nano Banana. Alright, let's begin. When using Nano Banana, you might face issues with aspect ratios. For example, if you upload two images and use a prompt like, make the girl in image 1 hold the cup from image 2, the result might not follow the ratio. According to Google's official notes, the generated image follows the aspect ratio of the last uploaded image. So, uploading a 16:9 image last fixes the issue. I also tested 9:16 and it worked perfectly. But if your last image has an odd ratio, here's a trick. Upload a blank 16:9 image second, then use the prompt redraw image 1 onto image 2 and match the aspect ratio. This ensures the output stays a standard 16:9 without blank areas. So that's basically how you can change the aspect ratio in Nano Banana. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.